Hey guys, Saion Gupta here, founder at 10x Coder Kids and an official Guinness record holder for the youngest computer programmer in the world. And today I'm gonna be unboxing the Apple Watch SE and the Airpods third generation. Our SE Apple Watch is second generation, and this is going to be a very cool unboxing. So without any delay, let's get started. Alright. So here we have the Apple Watch SE. Let me just move this a little bit. Yeah. Alright. So here we have the Apple Watch SE. Let's open this. Alright. Pretty cool. Alright. Pretty cool box. And here this is the wrapper. So here we have the proper box. So we have got here we have got the proper box. Here are the straps, and here is our Apple Watch, right? So let's open this up. So here we can see the label. To open this up, let's open it. All right, and all right, pretty cool. This is telling us it's designed by Apple in California. Let me just open this properly and I'm gonna show you in a second. Alrighty, so here you can see we have this from the inside. So let's take out. So these are our manuals, right? So these are our manuals and everything, how to set up the Apple Watch, right? This is our charger. This will be our charger for the Apple Watch. And now this is the dial for our Apple Watch SE 2, right? Let's open this, right? And this is our dial for the Apple Watch SE 2, right? Next, let's open the straps. Alrighty. So let's just peel this, and I think this should work. Alright, let's just open it. Just a second. This will open like this. I'll have to take out another wrapper. Alright, so here we have our straps. Pretty cool. Alright, so here Apple Watch is written. Let's keep the box aside. Alright, so we have all the instructions that were in the manual, and now we have our strap. So cool. Alright, so we'll take out the strap. So this is the first part of a strap, right? Now we'll take out the strap once again. This is the second part of the strap, and we will fix in the Apple Watch, right? Alright, so let me just fix in the Apple. Alright guys, now I have the straps fixed in. I have an extra spare strap with me that has come in this strap box, right? So let's keep that extra strap aside, and here is our Apple Watch. Let's read what it's saying. It's the SE Apple Watch, 40mm aluminium case, right? And then it has 10nx glass. Alright, it has GPS, right? It is waterproof, right? So pretty cool watch. And it's time to set it up, but before that, let's unbox our AirPods third generation. So let's keep the box aside. Let's keep the charger aside, and let's unbox the AirPods third generation. Alright, so we'll peel. Alright, we'll peel from here also, and let's open it. Alrighty, so here we have the manuals, AirPods, everything, right? How it works, what all is in there, all the features and everything. And here are our AirPods. So let's take it out. here are the AirPods, right? They are so cool. Let's open this. And here are our AirPods. These are the third generation AirPods, and these look so cool. They have the brand new touch, right? So if I wear these, right, these are these are pretty comfortable, right? And this shows it's fully charged, I think. I don't know, I'll have to read the manual myself, right? Pretty cool AirPods, right? There's nothing else in. Oh, there is the charger in the box, right? So this will be our charger for our AirPods, right? So let's not open it right now. Let's keep that aside. So here we have my AirPods, and here we have the Apple Watch, right? And I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button and share this video with as many people as you can. Thank you guys. Bye. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching my videos.